Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our March 2025 Zoom class. So with our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement. So in this case, 4 dies from our brand new release. Those can be bundled. And then there is a 5th die requirement, which is your foundation die. So that one's always separate purchase. In this case, the Flower Pot Pop-Up. Card 1 will combine that foundation die, the Flower Pot Pop-Up, along with the new add-ons set that creates a glue-in base as well as some new flowers, vine, and butterfly for your bouquets. And then we will also add in the Bouquet Bits, one of the other required dies. And that's some great little floral picks that work great in those bouquets. Card 1 is a 5x7, and the pattern papers we're using in March are from Echo Park. For our second card, we're still going to use that foundation die of the Flower Pot Pop-Up, but now we're going to mix in that new triple platform pop-up and the popcorn that fits that flower pot perfectly to make it into a pop-up popcorn bucket. This card is also a 5x7 card, and again, we're using Echo Park and Carta Bella papers. Okay, so let's talk about how you can get a kit for this class. If you go to our website, KarenBurniston.com, and click on the Events tab, that's going to show you all your choices for where you can purchase kits. So we will make a limited number of kits and put them on our website when they're available. There are also 5 stores, including one in Europe, that are making kits for this class. The 4 new dies that are required from our newest release, those can be bundled with your paper extras and instructions, and that is your best value if you don't already own any of them. If you found out about this class after you'd already been shopping and you own one or more of those required dies, then your better bet is to go with your paper extras and instructions kit, no dies. But just to be clear, you do need the dies. You need the 4 required and your foundation die to participate in this class. Because when you get your kit, it's going to be bulk materials, and you are going to be using those required dies to prep your kit for class day. The instructions for how to do your prep work are going to come by email, so they're not included with the kit. They come by email from the store where you purchased your kit about 10 days before class. So that's going to be around March 5th for this class. And in that email will be the instructions for how to log into the Zoom. It will have your very detailed PDF class handouts. It will have a link to a prep work video. And you can follow along on that prep work video with me while I get my kit ready. And I'll teach you all of the cool tips and tricks for using those dies. You just have to have your prep work done in time for the live Zoom if you plan on joining in. And that live Zoom class will be on March the 15th. That's a Saturday, starting at 11 a.m. Central. We record the Zoom classes, so if you can't make the class or you have to leave early, it will be recorded, and that link will come to you from the stores a day or 2 after class. And then you'll have access to go back and watch the recording and complete your projects. We do not make Zoom recordings public, even after the kits have sold out. So if you do want to participate in this class, you will need to purchase a kit. And you can do that by going to our Events tab, KarenBurniston.com, clicking on Events, and there you will find all of your choices. Hope to see some new faces.